Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any country you're watching this video from. If you are new, it's me Gabriel, and in this video I'm going to be telling you some common HTML tags. You can see on the screen which is some common HTML tags. First of all, we'll start with the doc type HTML. If you're an HTML coder, you must always know this tag here, which is the doc type HTML, which is the first tag used to create a website or a web page, which is telling us that the document type is HTML, which is the DOC stands for the document, the type, which is HTML. As you can see here, it defines the document type. Next is HTML. You know the meaning of HTML, which stands for the hypertext markup language. HTML defines a HTML document. After that, you will see the head. A head. In a human body, we have the head, which the head contains the metadata information for a document or a website. The head contains our brain and others, and our brain carries the main data of our body, which is how the head works like. It contains the main information for a document. After that, you will see the title, which is the title defines a title for the document. A title is not what is going to be displayed in a web page, but it's what the user will input in the web browser that will make our web page pop out. After that, you will see the body tag, which defines the body of a document. In a letter, we have the head of the letter, the body of the letter, and the end of the letter. And in this, we have the body of the letter, which contains the after the metadata of the document, the data, like some common data of the document. After that, in the heading, we have types of heading, which are the H1, H2, H3 to H6. H1 makes our text big. H2 make it smaller than the H1, like that. After that, you will see the paragraph tag, which is the P tag. This paragraph defines a paragraph. You know what the paragraph is? Like in the keyboard, you have the tab, like adding space into a text, which is the paragraph. After that, the BR tag, which is the break line tag, which inserts a single line break line, jumping from one line to the other without using the spacing. We will just use the break line tag. After that, you see the HRO tag, which is defines a thematic change in the content, or let me say in a simple language, it creates an horizontal line. It's just simple and well defined terms. It creates a horizontal line in a web page. I can just create a horizontal line which crosses like this, which crosses like a line of just an horizontal line. After that, you see these two angle brackets, exclamation mark, and all the dashes. This defines a comment in a web page. This defines a comment. After that, you see the B tag. B tag defines bold text. It's talking about bold text. And after that, you see the Q tag, which defines a short quotation, which defines a short quotation with the two quotes. After that, the small the small tag, which defines smaller text, making text small. And the last but not the least, which is the emphasized text, which defines emphasized text, like making the word slant and telling the browser that this document is important. Thank you, and that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in our next videos. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And now I know that you will know some common HTML tags. Thank you.